What's going on? Reggie coming to you live and recorded. Coming to you with a live recording for our Diamond VIP. You know what it is. You know that we are giving you the Diamond VIP awardee a Schaefer pen, limited edition. And this is Star Wars limited edition. And this is one of the ever so charming robots that doesn't seem to get hurt in battle, amazingly. R2-D2. Now who's gonna get R2-D2? It's our very own, please give her a round of applause, Stormee Cappuccio! Woo, woo, woo. Thank you for being an awesome customer. You get this. And now, I will pack this pen for you. Once again, congratulations. Here we go.